In this video, I will show you how to add bank account on Binance. First of all, open the Binance application on your device. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version to avoid any issues. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the Binance icon at top left corner. A new screen will appear. You will see a settings gear icon at top right corner. Tap on it. Binance settings screen will appear with a variety of different sections and options. Scroll down and under the payment section, you will find an option of payment methods. Tap on it. Now select the option P2P payment methods. This section allows you to add, remove and manage your payment methods. On the next screen, you will find an option of add a payment method at the bottom. Tap on it. And on the next screen, you will see all the payment methods that are available in your country from which you have to select the bank that you want to add. As my account isn't verified, so it's not showing here, but you will be prompted with a list of available methods. Tap on the option Bank Transfer. After that, on the next screen, you have to enter your bank account details, including your account number and bank name, etc. Double check your details to ensure accuracy. Once done, tap on the confirm option available at the bottom of the screen. Then it may ask you to verify your password. So verify it using your fingerprint, face or screen lock, whatever you have already selected to your account. Once it's done, your bank account will be successfully added on Binance. And this is how you can add bank account on Binance.